Surface belt grinding machine with magnetic chuck. Can tighten many parts and even small pieces.
Not a single day goes by, you ain't running through my mind. I know it's over, but I can't deny I'm still missing you. And I'm torn cause I'm hella frustrated. I know we had something special, baby, but now the fact is you're gone for good, and I don't know what to do. I try to stay occupied, I try to put it all aside.
High precision grinding.